Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this square ABCD that consists of a bunch of squares, as you can see in this diagram, such that the area of this blue shaded region is 232 square units, whereas the area of this green square is 16 and the area of this purple square is 64. And now we are going to calculate the area of this yellow square. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. And in this video, I'm going to share with you two different approaches. So therefore, please watch the video till the very end. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And we can see that we got the area of these two squares. We want to find their side lengths. And now let's recall the area of a square formula. Area equals to s square, where s represent the side length of the square. Let's focus on this green square whose area is 16. So I can write s square equal to 16. Let's take the square root on both sides. So s turns out to be positive 4. So therefore all these side lengths of this green square turns out to be 4. And now let's focus on this purple square whose area is 64. So I can write s square equals to 64. Let's take the square root on both sides. So s turns out to be positive 8. So therefore the side lengths of this purple square turn out to be 8. And now let's assume that the side length of this yellow square is x, since all these sides are equal. So all these side lengths are going to be x across the board. So therefore the area of this yellow square is going to become x square. So I can write x square, the area of this yellow square. And now our task is to find the value of x. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this whole side length of this square ABCD is 4 plus this x plus 8, and that is going to give us x plus 12. And we know this side length is x plus 12, since all these sides of the square ABCD are congruent. So this side is going to be x plus 12 as well. And now we can see the area of this whole square ABCD is equal to the area of this blue shaded region plus the area of this purple square plus the area of this green square plus the area of this yellow square, as you can see in this given equation. And we know that the area of this square ABCD is going to be simply the square of this side length of the square ABCD. So this is going to be simply x plus 12 whole square. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So our area of the square ABCD is x plus 12 whole square equals to, so blue area is 232 plus purple area is 64, green area is 16 plus this yellow area is x square. And now let's recall this famous identity. A plus b whole square could be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. We are going to apply it on the left hand side of this equation. So this is going to give us x square plus 24x plus 144 equals to, and on the right hand side, if we combine all these terms, that's going to give us 312 plus x square. And now we can see this x square and this x square is gone. And now let's subtract 144 from both sides. This is gone. So therefore 24x turns out to be 168. And now let's divide both sides by 24 to isolate x. So therefore our x value turns out to be 7 units. So thus the side length of this yellow square turns out to be 7 units. And now let's go ahead and calculate the area of this yellow square. And we know the area of the yellow square is going to be x square. So therefore x square is going to be equal to 7 square. So that means x square turns out to be 49 square units. So thus the area of this yellow square turns out to be 49 square units. And now let me show you the second method. Let's assume that the side length of this square ABCD is a units. Then this side length has got to be a units as well. And we know that these side lengths are 4 and 8. If we add them, that's going to give us 12. So therefore this side length of the yellow square is going to be a minus 12. And let's recall once again the area of a square formula, which is s square. So therefore the area of this yellow square is going to be a minus 12 whole square. So in this second method we are going to be using once again the very same equation. The area of the square ABCD is going to be equal to the blue area plus the purple area plus the green area plus the yellow area. And this time the area of this square ABCD is going to be the square of this thing, that is going to become a square. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So we got a square equal to 232 plus 64 plus 16 plus a minus 12 whole square. So let's go ahead and simplify. A square equals to, if we add all these constants, that's going to give us 312 plus, now let's recall another famous identity. A minus b whole square could be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square. We are going to apply it on this part. So that is going to give us a square minus 24a plus 144. And now we can see a square and a square is gone. And now let me go ahead and move this 24a on the other side. Let's divide both sides by 24. So therefore our a value turns out to be 19 units. Now let's go ahead and substitute this a value over here for 19. 19 minus 12 is going to give us 7 whole square. That is going to be equal to 49 square units. So therefore the area of this yellow square turns out to be 49 square units. And this 49 square units is our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.